I want to do something really cool in this video right here. We're talking about making money online, and I'm going to give you a free bot. This is a bot. A bot means this. It's going to do all the work for you to earn $600 a day. And listen, as a matter of fact, right now, keep watching here. Right here on my phone here, every 10 comments, okay, I'm going to give away free money to every person that comment below. Make sure that you sub to the channel. Sub to the channel, baby. Smash the like button if you get any value in this video here. Step number one to make some money right now. Look, go to motiondan.com. Go to motiondan.com. Now, listen, this is going to be the bot that's going to do everything for you. It's free to do. Listen, you want to log in. As you see, I'm already logged in. And this site here allows you to create videos for free. And listen, they do all the work for you. You don't have to be an editor. You don't have to be some type of professional when it comes to making online videos here. Check it out. If I go to templates right here, okay, and I click on this video right here, and I can click on edit the video like this, okay? And the great thing about it, it does the work for you, okay? And you can put your logo here, anything you want. You can put some text here. You can put something like, let me see. Let's look up the text. We can put some text here. Let me see here. Text. This card, edit here. Crop my text right here. We're going to say, love you, Wes, right? See what I'm doing here? It's up to you, right? You see that right there? You can just change the text on here as well. So listen. This is going to give you the opportunity to basically to make videos real quickly here without any type of expertise. And now listen, I know what you're thinking. Well, Wesley, how do I make money? This is why you got to pay attention, okay? But listen, motiondan.com is the first website that you need to put up on your laptop right now. And I'm going to show you how this is going to connect the dots and how you're going to make hundreds of dollars as long as you put in the work right now on autopilot. The next site you need to go to is quickandgigs.com, okay? Go there right now, right? Remember, listen first. I'm listening first. If this is the number 2 watch to the very end right now of this video, then do it with me, okay? So quickandgigs.com, and basically, it's like a Fiverr. It's like an Elance, but many people don't know about Quick and Gigs. So now it gives you the opportunity as a brand new person, okay? As a brand new person from scratch to make money right now. All you do is click on register, okay? Put in your username, email, user type, password, and guess what? It's free to do, and they're going to pay you money every day once you do exactly what I'm about to show you. This is simple. You go to video animation. This is the easiest video that I've created here in the last maybe month that you can make money online without spending any money at all, okay? Go to short video ads. You see that? Okay. And as you can see here, look, this person right now is getting paid $149 to basically create a video ad. This person getting paid $25. This person getting paid $100. So the question is, why aren't you making that money? All these people are doing is this. Now listen, pay attention. They're going to sites like MotionDan, and they're taking the requirements from the person that wants to create the ad, and they're going here and letting MotionDan do all the work for you. Listen, this is a done-for-you video website to edit your videos very quickly, and then basically you post your gig right here on Quick and Gigs, and people are going to pay you money. Now, the question may be this. Listen, the question is, well, Wesley, if I create my profile right now on Quick and Gigs, okay, how are people going to find me? They don't know who I am. I mean, listen, this is why you need to pay attention. This is why Wesley Virgin love you, because I'm going to give you the game. They don't want to get, look, listen, they don't want you to win. They don't want you to have this view. They don't want you to have the billionaire sandals either, right? But Wesley Virgin, I'm going to teach you the game. Check it out. So this is what you do. You click on here where it says rating, okay? And you click on where it says most visit first, okay? So what that's going to say is we want to know which one of these profiles are people visiting first or every single day. Does that make sense? We want to know which one of these are being visited the most. So here it is. So what you do is this. Click on it. Okay, and comment these words below. Model. Model. That's it. You model everything what this guy's doing. Everything. Price point, colors, images. Like, you just model what he has done. Because basically, he has done something that people are coming to every single day. And they paying this guy $149, sometimes several times a day, right? For this gig right here. So why not you? Why not you, right? And listen, comment below model, and also comment below your Cash App. Let's go with your Cash App, because I want to give you some money here. $100, $20, $50. Every 10th comment, okay? Every 10th comment in perpetuity. That means as long as this video is online, I'm going to come back to this video every single day. Every 10th comment, I'm going to see your Cash App, and I'm going to bless you with money, okay? But listen, that's how easy it is. That's all you have to do, right? You go to Motion Den Editor, right? When someone hires your gig, you just duplicate and basically model something that's already working. We know this guy's working. He's the most viewed right now on this website, right? If that's what we want to do with short video ads, okay? And then all we do is remodel his profile. We create it for free. And then when we start getting orders here for $150, if you do 2 a day, that's $300 every single day, which is $9,000 a month. You just go here and do whatever that person tells you to do by using the software, not using Adobe Photoshop, and get paid. Okay? How many of you can do this right now? Smash the like button if you know you can. Again, if you got lost, watch it a second time if you want to make money. If you don't do that, you'll never make money online. Watch it again. Follow exactly what I did. And like I said before, if you want some free money for free for watching the video to the very end, a Cash App right now, all you need to do is comment, let's go, your Cash App. Every 10th comment will win the money. This is Wesley, $1 billion Virgin. Let's go. Motivated, dedicated, let go.